Children, it is a next part of the passing package question paper, second part. Now the 12th question, find the mean by following frequency table by direct method. Find the mean by following frequency table by direct method. Here class interval is given and corresponding frequencies are given. So make the column for the class interval, Fi, class mark and Fixy. Make a column. So in the first column class interval you write the classes here. First one is 5 to 15. Second 15 to 25. Third 25 to 35. And fourth 35 to 45 and 45 to 55. And you write the corresponding frequencies. They are 2, 3, 6, 5, 4. And also you write sum of all the frequencies, that is summation of Fi, that is 2 plus 3, 5, 5 plus 6, 11, 11 plus 5, 16, 16 plus 4, 20. Right, it is 20. Then you get the class mark. You know the method of finding the class mark. How will you get the class mark? Add the lower limit and upper limit and divide that sum by 2. 15 plus 5 by 2, that is 20 by 2. 20 by 2 is 10. Next 15 plus 25 by 2. 25 plus 15 is 40. 40 by 2 is 20. Then 25 plus 35 by 2. 25 plus 35 is 60. 60 by 2 is 30. Then 35 to 45. 35 to 45 is 80. 80 by 2 is 40. Then 45 to 55. 45 to 55 is 100. 100 by 2 is 50. So you got the class mark. Now you find Fi into Xi, that product of the frequency and class mark. That is 2 into 10. 2 into 10. 2 into 10 equals what? 20. Then 3 into 20. 3 2 is 6. 3 into 20 is 60. 6 into 30. 6 into 30. 6 3 is 18. It is 180. And 5 into 40. 5 4 is 20. 5 40 is 200. So you write 5 into 40 equals 200. Then 4 into 50. 4 into 50 is also, you know that it is 200. Then you find summation of Fixi, sum of all the product of Fi and Xi. So what is the product sum here? You know that 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0, that you will get 0 here. Again 2 plus 6, 8. 8 plus 8, 16. 1 we have to carry here. 2 plus 1, 3. 3 plus 2, 5. 5 plus 1, 6. You got 660. Then you write the formula for the mean. This is direct method, and what is the formula? That is mean equals. Mean means x bar. Mean equals. Here we have to find the mean. So you write mean equals, what is that? Summation of Fixi divided by summation of Fi. That equals summation of Fixi is 660 divided by 20. So it becomes 0 0 cancels. 2 1s are 2 3s are 2 3s are. So what is the mean? Mean equals, that is x bar equals 33. In this way, got the mean by direct method. This is the direct method of finding the mean of the frequency distribution table. Now let us take the OR question of that question number 12. What is that question? Find the mode for the following frequency table. Class interval and corresponding frequencies are given. Here what we have to find out? We have to find the mode. So you write the class interval and frequency in the vertical column. See, you write 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50, and 50 to 60. Write the corresponding frequency. They are 5, 6, 10, 4, 3. 5, 6, 10, 4, 3. Here we have to find out the mode. Then find the maximum frequency. Which is the maximum frequency here? 10 is the maximum frequency. So which is the modal class? 10 is the maximum frequency. Therefore the modal class is 30 to 40. So write maximum frequency is 10. Therefore the modal class is what is that? 10 to 40. 30 to 40. Right, that is 30 to 40. Now you make out L, H, F1, F0 and F2. So you know that this is F1. The maximum frequency is F1. This is F0. This is F2 and this is L. Then you write the formula for mode. First you find out all the values. L equals 30. That is the lower limit. H is the size of the class. That is upper limit minus lower limit. So you write 40 minus 30, which is equals to 10. H is 10. Next you write F1. That is the frequency, maximum frequency. That is the frequency of the modal class. F1 is 10. F0 is 6. That is the frequency of the previous class of the modal class. And F2 frequency of the next class of the modal class, F2, that is 4. Then you write the formula. What is the formula? Formula is mode equals L plus F1 minus F0 by 2F1 minus F0 minus F2. This whole is to be multiplied by H. Then you write L. L is 30. So you write 30 plus F1. F1 is 10. F0 is 6. 2F1. 2 into F1 is 10. Minus F0 is 6. Minus F2 is 4. That into H. What is H? H is 10. Then you write 30 plus 10 minus 6 is 4. 2 into 10 is 20. And 6 minus 4. What is the sum of minus 6 and minus 4? That is also 10. Whole into 10. That equals 30 plus 4 by 20 minus 10 is 10 into 10 10 cancels. So what is remaining here? 30 plus only 4 is remaining here. 4 ones are 4, which is equals to 34. Therefore, you can write mode equals 34. Mode equals 34. Then the next question number 13. Prove that the tangent at any point of a circle is perpendicular to the radius through the point of contact. This is a theorem from the circle chapter, and you can learn this theorem by using the video lessons of the circle chapter. In circle chapter, this theorem is proved in the video lesson. So the link will be given in the description box. Use that link and try to learn the proof of this theorem. Next question, let us take. Construct more than type ogive graph for the following data. So that is class interval and frequencies are given. By using this data, we have to construct what? More than type ogive. Children, you know that to draw the more than type ogive graph, you must take the lower limit of the class and the corresponding frequencies. We have to take the lower limit on the x-axis and corresponding cumulative frequency on the y-axis. So first you write here, this is more than type ogive. So you take more than what? 50, more than 55, more than 60, more than 65, more than 70, more than 75. More than 50, then more than 55, more than 60, then more than 55, 65, then more than 70, 70, then more than 75, more than 75. Now you start from more than 75. More than 75, how many are there? 16 you write. Then more than 70. More than 70 is the sum of these two. That is 38 plus 16. That 38 plus 16 is 54. Then more than 65. More than 65 means sum of these three. Again you add 24 to this 54. That becomes 78. 24 plus 54 is 78. Then more than 60. More than 60 is sum of all this. Again you add 12 to the 78. 12 plus 78 is 90. Then more than 55. More than 55 means sum of all this. That is add 8 to this 90. So you will get 98. Then more than 50 is add this to this 98. You will get 100. That is the cumulative frequency. So you got that more than 50. More than 50 is all this. That is 100. Next, more than 55 sum of all this. That is 98. Then more than 60 is sum of all this. That is 90. More than 65 sum of all this. That is 78. Then more than 70 is sum of these two, 54. More than 75 is only 16. In this way, here you start from the last one. You got the distribution, more than type distribution. Now let us draw the graph here. And on x-axis we have to take the lower limit, and on the y-axis we have to take the cumulative frequencies. Now take the origin here and write the lower limit. Here it starts from 50. So write 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80 you can write, and here you write the contraction, and here maximum is 100, so you take 10, 20, 30, then 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. So this is cumulative frequency and this is lower limit. Now mark the point here. First one is for 50, how much that is? Here you take 90, 100. 50 it is 100. For 55, 98. 98 comes here. Then for 60, 90. 90 comes here. And for 65, 78. 78 comes here. And for 70, 54. 54, that is 54 comes here. Then for 75, 16. 16 means it is 2, 4, 6 you will get here. 75. Now you join the point here. This is more than type OG, right? More than type OG. Next question you take. Find the area of the triangle whose vertices are 2, 3, minus 1, 0, 2, minus 4. Now you take the point 2, 3, minus 1, 0, 2, minus 4. So you take x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3. Write the formula for the area of the triangle. What is that formula? Area of a triangle. You know that is equals to half into x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2. Next you write half into x1. x1 is 2. 2 into y2. y2 is 0. 0 minus y3 is minus 4. Minus 4 you write. Then plus x2. x2 is minus 1. Minus 1 you write. Into y3. y3 is minus 4. And y1 is 3. Minus 3. Then x3 plus x3 means 2. 2 into y1 is 3 minus y2 is 0. Then that equals half into 2. 0 minus minus 4 is 4. Then minus 1 into sum of these two, minus 4 and minus 3 is minus 7. Then plus 2 into 3 minus 0 is 3. Then you write half into 2 4s are 8 plus 1 7s are 7 plus 6, that equals half into 8 plus 7 15, 15 plus 6 21, 21 by 2, that is 10.5 units. 10.5 units, that is the area of the triangle. Next question, 16th question. Draw a triangle ABC with side BC equals 4 cm, AB equals 5 cm, angle ABC is equals to 60 degree. Then construct a triangle whose sides are 7 by 5 times the corresponding sides of the triangle ABC. Children, you know that in the first step we have to construct the triangle. You know the method of construction of triangle when two sides and included angle are given. First you draw the line, base line, that is of how much? 4 cm, and construct 60 degree angle at a point B, and that is AB. How much it is? 60 degree angle, so it must be here. Construct 60 degree angle here. You know the method of constructing the 60 degree angle, and you got AB 5 cm. Take a compass and cut it for 5 cm and join these two, this one. You will get a triangle. And you construct the similar triangle to this triangle whose sides are in the 7 by 5 times the corresponding side. So here 7 is the greatest, so construct the acute angle here and make 7 equal arcs. Measure a radius of convenient radius and make 7 equal parts. And this the ratio is 7 by 5 in the denominator, that is 5. So you know that here this is B1, B2, B3, B4, B5, B6, B7. So you join fifth part here. And you know the method of constructing the parallel. So you go through the video lessons of the construction chapter, then you can understand the method of construction. It is roughly idea given here. Go through the video lessons of the actual construction. Here draw the arc. The same arc you draw the arc here with B7 as a center and find the distance and cut it with the same distance. Then you will get a line parallel to it. Again here also draw the arc and with this as a center draw the arc and find this distance and cut it, and you will get another parallel line to this one. And extend it. This way you will get a similar triangle, but here I have given the rough idea, but go through the video lessons of the actual construction and follow the steps. Do the perfect construction, then you will get full marks. Next question, 2x plus y equals 7 and x plus y equals 5, solve graphically. Here you have to solve this pair of linear equation graphically. Take the equation, first equation, that is 2x plus y equals 7, and you convert this into y equals form. Y equals 7 minus 2x. Then you take the convenient value for x and find the corresponding value for y. Let us take x. So you take when x equals 0, you take 1, you take, so let us take here 1. Then y equals 7 minus 2. X means in the place of x you write 1, because here we have taken x equals 1. That equals 7 minus 2 into 1. 7 minus 2 into 1, that is 7 minus 2. 2 into 1 is 2, 7 minus 2 is 5. Again you take when x equals 2, then y equals 7 minus 2 into 2. In the place of x you write 2, then it becomes 7 minus 2 2s are 4. 7 minus 4 is 3. Next you take x equals 3, or any value you can take here. Y equals 7 minus 2 into 3, that is 7 minus 2 into 3 is 6, equals 1. Then make a column. 3 values are enough here. Then you take x here, y here. What are the values of x you have taken? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. And the corresponding values of y are 5, 3, 1. 5, 3, 1. So 1, 5. 1, 5. 2, 3. 2, 3. 3, 1. 3, 1. This way you got the values for x and y. Next you take the second linear equation, that is x plus y equals 5. X plus y equals 5. Again you convert this as y is equals to 5 minus x. Then you take the values for x and get the values of y. Again you can take when x equals 1, y equals 5 minus 1, because x value is 1. 5 minus 1 equals 4. When x equals 2, y equals 5 minus 2 equals 3. When x equals 3, y equals 5 minus 3, which is equals to 2. Here x value you have taken 1, 2, 3. You got the corresponding y value 4, 3, 2. Next you make a column. XY value you write. You have taken x values 1, 2, 3, and the corresponding values of y are 4, 3, 1, 4, 3, 2. That is 1, 4, 1, 4, 2, 3, 3, 2. These are the values of x and y we have taken. Next let us come to the graph. Now let us come to the graph. Here observe the maximum values on x and y. On x we have taken only 1, 2, 3. 3 is maximum. On y 5 is maximum. Here 4, here 5. So you can take 1 centimeter equals 1 unit. So you write the scale here. Scale 1 centimeter equals 1 unit. So you write origin 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Here minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6, minus 7, minus 8, minus 9. Here you write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Here minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6, minus 7, minus 8, minus 8, minus 9. Now let us mark the point. First one is 1, 5. 1 is here and 5 comes here. This is 1, 5. Then second one is 2, 3. Second one 2, 3. 2 is here, 3 comes here. This is 2, 3. Then next 3, 1. 3, 1 is this one. Now we join these 3 points. Got a straight line which passes through 1, 5, 2, 3 and 3, 1. So it is the first one, which is the first graph here that you have taken. 2x plus y equals 7. 2x plus y equals 7. Then it is x plus y equals 5. So you got 2x plus y equals 7. Then you take the second graph, that is 1, 4. 1, 4 comes here, 1, 4. Then 2, 3. 2, 3 comes here only. And 3, 2. 3, 2 comes here. So this is 3, 2. You got this one and this one and this one. Join that 3 points. So you got the graph of two linear equation. This is the graph of x plus y equals 5, and here you observe both the graph intersect at a point 2, 3. So here you can say that the value of x is 2 and the value of y is 3. So the solution you write solution x equals 2, y equals 3. In this way you got the solution of the pair of linear equation with the help of the graph. This is the graphical method of solving 2x plus y equals 7 and x plus y equals 5. Children, now let us take the question number 18, that is state and prove that the theorem on AEA criterion. This theorem is already proved in the video lesson of the triangle chapter, and go through the video lesson of that chapter and learn to prove the theorem, and link will be given in the description box.